Yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today I'm bringing you another video. And today's topic, we are going to be talking about the upcoming Travis Scott Jumpman Jack in the Sail colorway. Alright guys, so before we get started, make sure you guys are smashing that thumbs up if you do enjoy the video. Also, make sure you guys are subscribing to the channel if you are new around here. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss another one of my uploads. Alrighty guys, so let us get started in today's video. Now, basically what I'm going to be talking about today is what you guys should expect for the upcoming Travis Scott Jordan Jumpman Jack in the Sail and Mocha colorway. How the release is going to go, what you should expect, what date, what the price is, all that good stuff. So right off the bat, first thing to note is that the official release date for these guys is going to be April 30th, okay? Now, it is going to be a 10-minute draw, potentially a 30-minute draw over on the Sneakers app on the 30th. It's going to start at 10 a.m. Listen, guys, we all know how this works, right? So it's a Travis Scott. It's the very first Jumpman Jack for Travis Scott's new signature shoe. Now, you know, I don't know how this release is going to be. I really don't. We all know so many people go for all Travis Scotts, right? It's probably the, if not the most, it's one of the most entered in raffles for all of sneakers, basically. So, you know, the release should be okay. Like, I know sometimes in the past there has been glitches on the Sneakers app, so on and so forth. If they do extend it to a 30-minute draw, you're going to have 30 minutes to enter. Obviously, they pick, right? So bots are going to be able to enter, you're going to be able to enter, and you just got to cross your fingers and hope that you were selected. Now, if it's a 10-minute draw, you're going to have less time to prepare, right? So make sure you guys are updating your app. Keep it all updated to the latest version. Enter in as quick as possible. I mean, there's videos out there saying, you know, oh, don't enter in until 30 seconds. Don't enter in until a minute. Don't enter in until 5 minutes into the draw. With these, you don't know how the app is going to respond, so I say just try to enter in as quickly as possible. That way you're guaranteed at least your entry, right? Because if you wait for the 5-minute mark, all of a sudden you're having app glitches, you got to close it. Now you're only got down to 5 minutes to try to enter in. And, you know, you might not be able to enter in, so then there's your problem and you lose out all chances of getting them. It's going to be slim pickings anyway, but you definitely want to make sure that you're in and at least entered for the raffle. Now, these things will be releasing in full family sizing, okay? So you're going to have, on here, it's going to go from a men's 3.5, a women's 5, all the way up to a men's 17 and a women's 18.5. All right, so they're also going to have, I believe, yeah, little kid sizes, and you're also going to have toddler sizes, right? So from 2C to 10C, and then in the little kids, it's going to be from 10.5C to 3Y. So, you know, if you got the kiddos, you're going to be able to enter in them for those as well. Now, I believe that the kids are usually first come, first serve. Yep, which they are. So those are not going to be a draw. So if you are going in for those kid sizes, make sure you're entering in ASAP and then go for the men's sizes to enter in for the draw. Because the kid sizes, it's going to be first come, first serve. Now, this release over on the Sneakers app will also be accompanied by a bunch of different, you know, Travis Scott merchandise. So you're going to have a brown t-shirt right here. I'm going to be showing you guys on the screen. So you're going to get a brown t-shirt right here. T-shirts are going to be from 65 bucks. You're also going to get a full zip in this. Actually, it's a really nice olive color. Very plain, though. I don't even see any branding on it. I mean, yeah, a little Cactus Jack with a little embroidered Jumpman. It's the same color, you can't even tell. That's going to run you $175. There's going to be the same thing in black in that full zip. I was going to get another black t-shirt. This one I'm going to actually be going for because I do like the style of it. That's going to be 65 bucks as well. I also really do like this brown and or mocha full hoodie. So I'm going to be trying to go for that as well. You also got some sweatpants. So it's going to be olive. Sweatpants are going to run you $140, guys. You know, Travis Scott, they be taxing over on the Sneakers app for some of this stuff, guys. You're also going to get a white and or off-white creamish color t-shirt. Again, 65 bucks. Same hooded sweatshirt that came in the Mocha is also going to come in this white cream colorway. 175 bucks again. Same sweatpants are going to be in black as well. And like I said before, $140. So there's going to be some merchandise. I'm sure this merchandise will also be on Travis Scott's website. So if you definitely want to, you know, secure your merchandise from the Travis Scott, you might want to get it on the website, right? Because usually on Travis's website, the merchandise doesn't sell out as fast as it does on sneakers. You got to remember, so many people are going to be going on sneakers for all this stuff too, because you got to realize that on the sneakers, it's also going to be free shipping, so you're not going to have to pay for shipping like you are on Travis's website, so on and so forth. So if you want the merch, just know it's going to be on sneakers on the 30th, and then also on Travis Scott's website. Now, speaking of Travis Scott's website, guys, I don't have a specific date and time for you. I will be updating you guys over on the channel, so make sure you guys are subscribed because I do post a bunch of shorts whenever I get some direct information for you guys. That way I don't have to make a full video going into more details if it's like spur of the moment, right? So on Travis Scott's website, usually it is about, it could be possibly on Tuesday or Wednesday this week. It might release on Travis Scott's website, or it could be all the way up until Thursday or Friday this week. So this is kind of a different one, right? Because sometimes Travis's release on a Saturday. Usually if it's a release on a Saturday, Travis's website goes live usually around Wednesday or Thursday, and then you have that day in between for the launch on sneakers. Now, this one is going to be releasing on a Tuesday, right? So I don't think that the Travis is going to go live on the Monday because it's usually not the day before. It could potentially go live over the weekend. But, you know, like I said, stay tuned. I'm gonna be updating you guys with the specific date and time. All this stuff is going to be going live on Travis's website. I would look out for definitely this week, though. So be on the lookout for sometime this week that the Travis Scott website will go live. Now, on the Travis Scott website, if you guys are not familiar, like I was talking about the merch, that's going to go live. And then also, usually what happens on Travis's website is it's going to be a raffle. It's going to be a 30-minute raffle, usually, over on Travis's website for the sneakers. You're going to fill out this form, put your name, phone number, email. They say it's limited per one entry. Now, bots get in these things, guys. You know, with these raffle systems, I've seen multiple times on these Travises that, you know, people enter in like hundreds or thousands of times, and they actually end up getting a couple different pairs through botting. Now, it's going to be difficult. Travis's website is known to be very hard. I don't see many W's ever on any of his releases, so it's going to be tough, guys. It's definitely going to be tough, but just so you know, there will be a raffle. I mean, who knows? It could be first come, first serve. I don't see it going first come, first serve. They already did the shock drop over on the sneakers or on Travis's website during the Grammys, and that was a disaster. I never even saw a single checkout through that raffle, so it's going to be tough pickings, but just so you guys know, I will keep you updated on my shorts. And then let's talk about stock, baby, because that's what everybody wants to know. I don't have stock information for you. I've seen a couple things on Twitter regarding stock numbers. Some people are saying that they've seen 13,000. Some people have been saying that they see 60,000, 70,000. I don't see that this pair is going to be going up to the 100,000 mark, especially for sneakers exclusively. I just don't see it. It's the very first Travis Scott signature sneaker that is going to be releasing, right? So they're going to make sure that this thing is limited going forward to build hype on this specific model. Now, there is also that black and sail and red colorway that's also going to be releasing now. Some people are even rumored that that was a Houston exclusive because they did that sneakers pass for Houston specifically. So that's going to be the more limited pair, but I don't see that this sail and mocha colorway is going to be much more stock. I just do not see it happening. Travis Scott's, all of them are limited, right? So even those freaking Air Trainers that are the lowest reselling Travis Scott sneaker to date, they, okay, were even limited, guys. So, you know, I just don't see it happening. Listen, 13,000, 60,000, even if it was up to 75,000, that's a drop in the bucket, guys. Think about it. Like, there's millions of people that enter into these raffles, so you have to have your expectations, or, you know, at least know what your expectations should be going into this release. Now, I'm not trying to bring you guys down. I'm just trying to lay it out and be completely real with you guys. Listen, so just expect low, limited stock. You know, be prepared. Like I said, update your sneakers app, so on and so forth. Be on the lookout for the Travis Scott website. Make sure you guys are tuned into my channel Like I said, I'll post a short whenever I get the info for when that raffle is going to be going live. Hopefully I provided some more information if you guys were unclear about this release. And yeah, just trying to help you guys out. So if you did enjoy, make sure you guys smash that thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell. Do all that good stuff. And with all that being said, guys, my name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill. Good luck to you. And I'm out. Peace.